All right, never a dull moment in our house. Kaiden, what's up, buddy? What are we doing? Making a rocket.
Up in the sky, 275 feet.
Grandpa Dick's got the rocket. How high is it going?
It's going 275.
Let's see if it does that. We shall look. All right, so Grandpa's got his job. What you doing, Grandpa?
I got altitude, buddy.
Altitude calculator. All right, Kaiden, what's your job, buddy? You're the igniter? Okay, I'll just line it up. We'll get everything lined up. Mom, what's your job?
Observation. I'm doing countdown.
What's your job?
Videoing.
Video, and you're gonna video? All right, we all got jobs. Let's go do. All right, here we go. We're gonna hook up these dials right here.
Sure, but that's right here.
On one side and on the other.
Is it gonna slip off?
Here we go. We're ready now. Kaiden, you ready, buddy?
Yep.
All right, give me the countdown.
Mom.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
Holy! Where'd it go? Oh, baby, that sucker took off. Holy cow! I was not ready for that. Dude, what'd you think of that?
That was the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
Holy buckets, let's go get it. That was awesome. That sucker took off like,
That steel.
what did it do?
It melted that steel.
I didn't even get to see anything. Look it, go get it, see if it happened. Do we have any damage? That was crazy.